Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 2, Benin 0. I'm joined by Mr. Kok.
Steve.
Fede.
How much I tell?
I like the trip.
Steve.
Timbaland as always.
Ngashelo ugogo wami.
Unamanga wangena wathenga.
Next Steve.
Yeah, sure.
Ukraine more Steve.
Fresh.
Asibingela ama-fans wethu Steve yabona. Sibingela abantu abasupportayo yabona.
Sure.
Baqhubeka abasupport, abasubscribe.
Ba
Like.
exactly.
Abalike.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Nami ngixoka Timbaland.
Ayakubona Steve.
Ngithi nami ngixoka Timbaland baba subscribe.
Nickname lena.
Ngiyakugqoka leskipa siyamafenga.
Steve athi singene game Steve.
Uyibone kanjani?
Steve singenela kule game Steve. First of all, compliments to Hugo Bros.
Sure.
Congratulations kuye ne.
Sure.
We playing Nigeria in this game.
Yeah.
Nanoma singadronke lama games Steve sambini. Semnandi Steve.
Yeah.
Qala game in first half Steve too defensive.
Okay.
Playing too deep.
Yeah.
I don't know what's Miss Zamagenzani Steve no.
Gahle.
For me first half was a boring game Steve.
It was.
Looking at Mfokeng.
Yeah.
Igafuna kudlala to position. I don't know, maybe it's the instruction from the coach. You know, good adlalu number 10, adlalu wing at the same time, you know.
Sure.
The boy is working very hard, Steve.
He is.
Bright future ahead, Steve. Cool, Steve.
Yeah.
Coming on the right side, Steve, Mr. Flow. Nkuluma ngumrena, nkuluma ngumdaw.
Yes.
I think we're playing two. I'm a right back.
Sure.
We're defending. Not 6 abantu Steve. You're playing Obas. You're playing Umbata. You are playing Umrena. You are playing Mdao. You know, SBC. Compliments to them, Steve. First half. Cause nothing. Ngiyacabanga coach it Mr. Risha Ipinini.
Sure.
Cause ngicabangile ukuthi no, these guys they will come full force attacking. You know.
Sure.
But second half, coming to second half, I wanted to see Adams earlier.
Jaden.
Kakhulu Steve. That guy
earlier.
Steve.
Yeah.
If I was a coach, Steve,
sure.
I'm not saying I'm a cheat but I was gonna drop Obas. You know, because you know, Jaden, Steve.
Top.
Steve ngombona Friday, Steve, you're that guy who has a ball, Steve.
Yeah.
You know. But coming back to his second half, Steve, we let's la information needs actually and I'm 4-4-3 E4-3-3.
Sure.
You know. Sfago Adams.
Yeah.
Skipper Umfuki. I think Ekakate, Serralega Kulu Umfuki.
Yes.
You know? That's why I say that term pushing. Serralega Kulu first half.
Sure.
Second half, Miss Booya, Slal 4-4-3. Slal 4-3-3.
Sure.
I mean, and since ateka ngo Adams, ngiyacabanga ucoach umtsheli Adams mamela hlala lapha ku number 10 afaka Apollos to show ukuthi sinyalo sisifuna. That's why you could see left side ne right side siya function manje siyaphassana manje sidlala ibhola lesijwayele yona.
Sure.
Sibisi is a good player Steve. I want to mention this is Steve.
Yeah.
Sibisi dangerous.
Yeah.
But very well, you know.
Yeah.
I like the way he defends. I was a defender mina ngidlala ibhola.
Sure.
Ikachitha phansi akacolise.
Yeah, and kuyafuneka.
And muya kuye ngobu2 awuzomsaba ngoba ushaya that green face akeke umathi.
Uzocabanga that time.
Angeke umlandi. I like the way he defends Swiss.
Yes.
Compliments. I want to say kuye push out him.
Sure.
You know Steve kunabo abosesane.
Yeah.
Kunabo Sibisi.
Sure.
Kunabo Nda.
Sure.
And then kunabo Qoki.
Sure.
Ne. Ngithatha uSibisi, ngithatha uQoki ngibabeka boyi2, ngithatha uNda noSesane ngibabeka boyi2.
Yeah.
Sikhuluma ngetalent, sikhuluma neworking hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
So working hard abosibisi.
They work very hard.
Ngiyakuthola.
Steve umbonile uQoki noma afika kuPirates ane injury. Angicabanga ukuthi ekarecover that guy.
Sure.
Wafika, wangena, wayenza amaphutha. Wabuya ngabesidlala futhi against Sundowns wadlala very well.
Yes.
I'm looking at those two kind of players.
Yeah.
They work very hard at training.
Definitely.
You know? I'm looking at skillful players, Abunda, Abumbogazi, Abu Sesane.
Naturally talented.
Stivo, those guys, they need to go to Abafana. They need a chance. These youngsters, Abo Villa guys, they need a chance to go Nabadlan.
Yeah.
Seba test Stivo. But now I know it's crucial games, Sifuna qualify, already just qualify the World Cup.
Yeah.
Good, like I wanna say again, Stivo, thank you for the guys for a good game, Stivo.
Sure.
Yeah.
Man of the match?
Stivo, it was a balanced game, Stivo.
Yeah.
Thina nathi sidlala nge-individual brilliant ethu Stivo.
Ngiyathola.
Sinabantu bethu laba bakhona ukueliminate ama-player opponents ethu Stivo. Ngikhuluma ngaye Apollos, ngikhuluma ngaye uRile, ngikhuluma ngaye uMbatha, even though we're playing too deep, but we have people or players that they can eliminate other opponents,
Ngama 1v1.
Ngama 1v1,
Yeah.
Ngibuke no Pacey. Shout out to Pacey Stivo.
Sure.
Lama passes, I understand why you get Bruce Dal so Pacey so long,
Why, baby?
Stivo, when uno pace, uno Frostler, or whenever uno pace, uno was this hopper.
Sharp.
What check these players? They run behind defense. They know good pace. Ucheck nama passable species nabu who's the center back at Lalo species Ungezan.
Yes.
They were playing long balls. They know good was a totally pace. They behind defense. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm pass la keeper through pass.
Yeah.
Who taps Klash because through pass is when ugijima ngabuki ibhola akushayela lona qhamuka sokuhlangana nalo phambili. That's a true pass,
Yeah.
Upace udlalile ubamba kept ibhola so well. Inkinga that's why uRile ngadlalanga. Iflop ukuthi uRile. Bambukelile last game.
Sure.
Ebaza kuye lama defender. Baza boyi-2.
Sure.
That's why really uyo go approach iboni this thing because uRile bambaka boyi-2. But uPace ngoba Lion of Judah Stivo. Unale inhliziyo uyazi the experienced player udlalile Europe udlale everywhere,
Yes.
Al Ahly, all these teams.
Yeah.
Beautiful I mean good teams,
Yes.
Uyo go approach us kusumsebenza. You could see uFrosler moving around. Flexible whenever uPace abembe ball.
Ngiyathola.
Because uyazi ukuthi uPace umdlalela behind. So I think mina ngokwami I call it ukudronka ama defense whenever you put Pace.
Okay.
Uzoyidroka defense.
Sure.
Uzoyiqeda defense.
Sure.
Bazokorela abafana.
Simple as that.
Simple as that, Steve.
Ngiyathola.
Sure, Steve.
Aqhubeke.
Man of the match Steve, mina ngifuna uqamba manga Steve ngika uSwiss.
Bodlela.
Swiss awudlale kamnandi Steve.
Top stuff.
Work. So
Yeah.
King very hard this
Yeah.
guy. Une intelligence Steve.
Sure.
Unengqondo Steve.
Sure.
No, uyazi. Nyalo uyakhona cover distance, uyakhona kumaka, uyakhona understand ukuthi okay, ngino goalkeeper. I don't have to do so much. Wami ngivale, ngicover i-defense, ngicover ngibona offside time, that's all.
Sure.
Akayenza isebenza isibaya. Ebaya fan manje usibizi. Looking le kana saqala Pirates Steve. Kanza too many mistakes. Ufuna kudlala according to too much aqeda energy but I feel like now uyasazi strengths sakhe Steve.
Yeah.
He knows what to do and what to not do.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
from
understand.
The experience.
Yeah, Steve. Mara otherwise Steve ngiyabonga Steve for
So
interview
many.
Steve.
Tshela abantu basubscribe Mr Timbaland mfethu. Tshela abantu
Steve.
basubscribe.
Sangicela bafethu sicela subscribe kuma friends wethu. Ay, Timba next time.
Tango.
Steve, ingwenya yami.
Yeah, sure.